Hello YouTube and welcome back to Allie's Wonderland Creations. I am Alice Seraphin and I am a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator here in the Pacific Northwest in that wonderful little town of Belfair, Washington. Hickville, USA as I love to call it. So welcome to my channel everybody. This is August 2025's Paper Pumpkin Alternative video number 28 everybody. Yes, I told you we are definitely going to hit 30. We're not going to hit more than 30, but we're going to hit 30. So, ooh, I was moving my tea and that was an unsteady place that could topple right off and that would be a disaster. So this kit is called Farmhouse Florals and you could make 9 cards, 3, 3, and 3, and the envelopes were all the same. So on the back, as always, this QR code would lead you to a video that would show you how to put this kit together as it was designed, a visual of everything in the kit, and down here it lists those coordinating colors. Videos 1 through 5, I share with you everything that comes in the kit. After that, we just kind of move along. This one down here would lead you to this set of 9 dies called Circle of Season dies. They coordinate with July, August, and September's Paper Pumpkin kit. And this is the stamp sets, because there were 2. So we have this one, it says, for you, thank you, this background, this flower sprig, just a note, you are loved, XOXO, to say, forever your friend. Good friends are hard to find, so I'm so glad we found each other, and hello. The second one, this is Farmhouse Florals. This says, friendly florals. For a great friend, always here for you. This little background, the little teapot that should have had a die. Instead of a circle, we should have had the die. This floral sprig, these 2 flowers, this little leaf, you're simply the best. Thank you for your constant friendship and listening ear. So with that being said, yes, I'm not doing a card today. We are going to be doing something with sunflowers. If you don't have something, you could have a stamp set. Maybe you have Painted Harvest, because that has a sunflower in it. These are stickers from the dollar store. You could use these. I am using this ephemera that was put onto cardstock and then die cut. Really cool stuff that Allie C sent me, and she has her own YouTube channel. It is called Allie Cat Creations, Allie Cat Crafts, excuse me. And she sent me this beautiful ephemera that she got from one of her friends' craft shops, and I would never have guessed that this is washi tape on cardstock. Never in a million years would I have thought this, but this is a lot like that washi tape in the catalog, except much larger, right? Pardon me. So anyways, I cut this up and I'm going to show you what we are doing, as you can see it right here. So I'm covering another little memo book. This time, because I'm using the black piece, I'm not going to put a strip in here. So I cut this to 3 by 5, and then I cut off a 1/16 of an inch. So I'm going to put 3 by 5, and then you can trim it down. And I did a corner rounder, and this is just some really, really old DSP that I got at a thrift store find, and it just, I think this dark green just kind of sets the tone here. I'm going to try this Tombow, and hopefully this is a bit shiny, but hopefully it'll stick to it. Use up the Tombow. Yes, my OCD is dictating use Tombow, use up the Tombow. So I think the black works well with it. Now you could go really elaborate with this. You could stamp sunflowers in this to keep it the sunflower theme. Like I said, you could use stickers. I'm just using what I had. So I want to show you. So this piece is this piece here, right? So I just cut off this leaf. I'm going to clean it up a little bit here on camera. Just going to clean that up a little bit because I needed, this big arch would not fit. My little strap for my purse. Do I want, I'm debating on whether or not, because if this is thrown into a pocketbook, I don't know if I want it to be up on dimensionals or not, but if I'm thinking about it, I'm probably going to put it all up on dimensionals. So I'm going to get some little strips here for this little bit. Swap out my scissors. Get these little bits. And I'm definitely, I mean, I cleaned my room and I even swept it, but it needs it again because I've been shuffling all these little things onto the floor. So we're going to go ahead. Oh, you know what? We're going to go ahead and put a little strip right down there as well. Then I know it's not going to go anywhere. Before I go gluing this down, I'm going to stamp directly onto my purse, and I'm going to use that Evening Evergreen, and I'm going to just stamp just a note. And I think I'll do it, I'm using this as my Stampin' Pierce mat. We're just going to go right here. There we go. It's really subtle, but it's there. Just a note, and now we're going to glue this piece down. I'm not going to put any glue up here because I'm going to be tucking bits and pieces there. So down near the bottom. All right, so my first piece to get tucked in is going to be this piece, and it's going to hang. Ooh, I might need to cut it. So we're going to have to do a little fussy cutting again. So I'm going to cut this piece off because I want to be able to use, you know, use all of these. So I'm going to tuck this one like right there. I'm going to have a look-see. I've got to place them where I want them. This big one, I know is going right about here. This one I know goes about over here, but we need to clean up this little edge. So that goes about here. I have this partial leaf, which could be used, and we will use it. Just need to find a spot to tuck it in. Maybe there. This one, I'm trying to see which one goes where now. This piece I think can get tucked in back there. I like everything so far. This little bit can go here. This little one, I guess, is the one that goes up here, but I'm going to bring that down. All right, this flower here, that's got to go. So I'm going to try to carefully remove it and put it somewhere else. Because it just is sticking out. So I'm going to start by putting this one down first. Oh, it's not going anywhere. I didn't get it quite in place where I wanted it. That's all right. This one is next. Right there. this one. I was starting to second guess myself, but that one's going down. Next is our great big sunflower. And I'm going to remove that one and see, possibly, do I want this? I just put glue there, so this is going to go here, but I think I'm going to scoot it down more. Yes. Keeping it on there. Oh, beautiful. And then it needs a little bit of one. Oh, that's perfect. And this piece, oh, I like that a lot. This is just a, oh, wait a minute. This one, yes. We're going to remove this leaf because I don't think I can save that other leaf. I can put this one right there. Just cutting bits off and reorientating their positions is all I'm doing here. So look at that. That came out lovely. Just lovely, lovely lilac, right? I could actually add that little leaf. See, I don't have, there's not a small sunflower. I'm not willing to sacrifice all of that greenery, and it's too big. It's too big to go down here, but that little sunflower would look so good. But I'm not willing to sacrifice it. So I think we're just going to go with the leaf. Yep, that's it. We could add a few embellishments and things if we wanted. Oop, that one didn't get glued in apparently. But I think this one just kind of speaks for itself. And that's how quick that is. Really pretty, all that gold on there. I mean, if I had one, two, I want really little ones. I'm thinking, give me a second. Let's get my little caddy over here. I'm trying to think of what I have. What about those antique? These might actually look really well there. These have, those three there would be really pretty on there. The clear ones, those would be really, really pretty. They're soft, they're subtle, they're not going to be like, so one, we could even use a large one if we wanted to. But I'm going to keep with the 3, 2, and then 3. I think that's perfect. So it's just a little something to bring more sparkle to it. I'm happy with that. And I have another little something I can give away. And like I said, I think I will give this away to the lady at the front desk there at my aunt's doctor's appointment. She's always so kind. Like if we call her up and say, can I bring Aunt Carol in early? And she's like, yeah, sure, bring her on in, you know. She's always so gracious about it. So thanks for watching, everybody. And Allie, thank you so much, because that made this little project so much easier. And hopefully it gives you some ideas as what you can do with this little purse here, this little handbag. And I'm ready to go. I definitely think I'll be covering a little post-it note next, and trying to figure out if I want to use the yellow flowers or these, and what, maybe I'll just stamp the little sprig and use all of these on here. I'm thinking, I mean, I'm like, okay, how do I I don't know, there's a lot of these yellow ones, which could be, we could do some there, just trying to figure out where to put all of these. So I'm still thinking, trying to figure things out. So can't wait to see what I do come up with for my last two projects. So thanks for watching, and I hope to see you all again soon here in my wonderland. Bye bye for now, everybody.